Yeah, hey everyone, just a quick video on this big mega gate. It's a 5.4 wide gate, 2.4 meters high. This is like a utility gate that's being used for around the side of the house, so you can see it's quite heavy. It's got this really cool lock on it. It's a locinox lock, and you can see it's got this big turning lock that goes into a hole on the post there. So that's a big 100 by 100 post there, with a catch at the top. And you can see over here it's got the like a 100 by 100 U-channel with the rollers at the top. It's also got the rub rail on top to stop the gate from rubbing on the rollers. It's pretty important. This is just a manual gate. We also plug the gap up here just for the dog, so the dog can't get through. This is just a manual gate, but we've also just run a wire through just in case for the customer later on they want to do some automation. So that's what it looks like from this side. I'll cruise around the other side and show you. So it's a big long concrete strip that runs all the way down there. You can see that's what the front looks like, and yeah, it looks quite cool from the outside. This is colour steel obviously, but it's got a big 75 by 50 frame the whole way around. It's got one subdivision in the middle, so this is what it looks like from the front. So yep, that's a custom gate, quite a big one actually, and it's low profile wheels. You can see it only floats 40 mils above the surface, so to do that you've got to make sure the concrete strip's like super heavy duty. I'll take you around the side, you can have a look. There's the end stopper down there, catches the end on the tail there. That's where the power comes out for the motor. You can see what the rollers look like at the top there. Cool. If you're interested in a custom gate like this, just give us a call. We can project manage the whole thing, make it happen, and do a really good job at it. Yeah, let us know. Hit us up at strongfencing.co.nz.